Kubernetes sandbox got off due to power cut. It can happen anytime. How to recover the cluster? We will find in this video. Before jumping into the solution, let's see my cluster architecture. I have one Ubuntu machine on which I run two Ubuntu VMs, using the Ubuntu machine as the Kubernetes master and each VM as the nodes named Worker 1 and Worker 2. Let's check the nodes in the cluster using this command, kube control get nodes. You can see that both the worker nodes are in not ready state, reason being the VMs are not running currently. Let's start the VMs one by one. Let's wait, nodes should show as ready anytime. They are up now. In every Kubernetes cluster, there is a container network interface. In my case, it is Calico. As per my experience, in case of accidental shutdown, after we bring the nodes back up, cluster face issue to schedule pods. It can be fixed by deleting the Calico pods. Let's do that. Once the Calico pods are back up, your cluster is ready to be used. The same method will work for other CNI like Flannel. Hope you find this video useful. Until next time, keep learning.